someone that makes me feel seasick. Oh, what a skill to have, oh, what a skill to have so many skills that make her distinctive. They're not mine.
Alright, problem number 2 tells us to find the general solution again, but to a different ODE, given by y cubed times y prime is equal to x plus 2 times y prime. Okay, so the first thing is, well, let's try to get all of the like terms together. So let's subtract this, well, let me rewrite the problem first of all. So y cubed times y prime is equal to x plus 2y prime. So we're going to subtract this y prime over to the left side, okay? So that goes away on the right side, and we're left with y cubed times y prime minus 2 times y prime is equal to x. And now we can factor out this y prime from both of these terms. So we get y cubed minus 2 times our y prime is equal to x. And now at this point we can rewrite our y prime as what we know better in terms of, well, we can work with them better in terms of y and x, okay, with our differentials here, is equal to x, okay? And now all we need to do to finish off separating these variables is multiply by dx on both sides, right? So multiply by dx. So those ones cancel out on the left side, and I'm just going to move on to this side over here. So now we're left with y cubed minus 2 times dy, that differential. Okay, and then on the right side we have our x dx. Okay, so now all we have to do is integrate both sides. So we get 1 over 4 y to the 4th minus a 2y is equal to 1/2 x squared and then plus a c. Okay, alrighty. So now we're going to attempt to, because we're not given an initial condition or anything, so now all we have to do is try to get y by itself. And in this case, it's either not going to happen, or this is basically going to be what's called an implicitly defined solution, which you'll see what exactly that means as we move along. So let's multiply by 4 everywhere just to get rid of the fraction stuff. So if we do that, we get y to the 4th and then minus an 8y is equal to 2x squared plus 4c. Okay, and then what we can do is just kind of move things around, make it look a little bit nicer. So we're going to subtract this x term to the left side. So we get y to the 4th minus 8y minus 2x squared is equal to 4c, okay? And this 4c, we can rewrite that, remember our capital A, we can just rewrite this as another constant just to get rid of the 4 part. So we can have y to the 4th minus 8y minus 2x squared is equal to some constant a, where our a is equal to 4c. And this is going to end up being our answer because unlike a previous problem that we've done, where we had like a quadratic thing left on the, or remaining on the left side, like y squared, I think it was plus 2y, and then we had minus some constant term or minus some x term. Unlike that, here we have a quartic. It's called quartic because it's raised to the 4th power. That's the highest degree on the left side. Because we have a quartic, and I do not, and like most people, don't know how to solve those right off the top of my head. So we're just going to leave it as this, and it is implicitly defined. Okay, so this is the solution down here on the bottom right corner.